Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the Tutorial channel. Alright, new arrival from AR Box. Okay, almost real. This is actually another Hobby Expo China exclusive. Just got it. Let's get straight to it. So we got our hands on the Pagani Zonda R. Okay, in this carbon fiber style box. Alright, show you the back. Whether it has its license, well, it does have the genuine product, for from Almost Real, and yeah, it does have the Pagani official license logo down here as well. Okay, so this is actually in the matte carbon fiber, the Zonda R. Okay, so that's the back of it, so you know that this is a licensed product. Okay, right, so that's the box. Comes with this plastic wrapper. Let's get it out. Out of the plastic wrapper, okay, let's slide it out. Ooh, check that out. Look at that. This display, this packaging, pretty good. This is pretty good. Okay, so I do quite like they have this handle. Let's see if we can pull it out. Hang on before I pull it out. Seems that there is a card in there. Okay, 164 diecast. There's a QR code to scan. Let's see where it goes. Okay, we'll update you guys in a short while. Before that, look at that. Very nice packaging. Okay, here we go. Let's get it out. Oh, so satisfying. Okay, so it has that sponge to make sure, no things, it doesn't get damaged during shipping. That's good. That's actually good. Okay, so this is taped in. Let me untape it, okay, and get it out to show it to you guys. Okay, unboxing. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, let's get the whole chassis out first. Oh, okay. So far I've seen photos and now I know why, having it in my hands. Now I know why that's a little bit of a craze on this thing. So this thing, yeah, the price very quickly double already, and provided if you can find it. Oh man, look at that. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of reverse. So I'm going to show you the engine details and all the other details before we take out the rest of the car to assemble them. Okay, so this is a track-only hypercar. Okay, that was developed and manufactured by Pagani themselves. Okay, it was debuted at the 2007 Geneva Motorshow. If I'm not mistaken, only 15 of these were made between 2009 and 2011. Okay, so the bodywork and aerodynamics altered for maximum downforce. Features a large front bonnet. Okay, I will show you guys later compared to the Zonda F. And the engine, okay, definitely one of the key feature here, right? AMG built engine coupled together with a 6-speed sequential manual gearbox. Okay, so from what I read, this is actually, the engine is actually derived from a CLK GTR race car engine. Okay, look at that. Look at the amount of details on this thing. Very, very crazy. The suspension as well. Look at that. Pretty impressive because if I am not mistaken, this is actually a diecast model, not a resin model. Okay, there's definitely a little bit of weight to it, and unlike resin models, it's almost weigh nothing. Okay, so this guy is definitely a diecast model, but being able to achieve this much of detail in 64 scale using diecast is pretty crazy. So very quick demonstration of the tires. Yep, you can turn. Okay, probably can roll them as well. Okay, the quad pipes at the back here, pretty crazy. Okay, so it does produce about 740 horsepower. Okay, the engine, and claims of a top speed of 375 kilometers per hour. Okay, 0 to 60 in 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Sorry, 2.7 seconds. 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Sorry about the numbers. Okay, pretty crazy on this thing. Okay, let's get the front and the rear out. So I need to be very careful here. In the meantime, help me to hit the like button, okay? Because that will help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you don't miss on my other scale model videos. Look at that. It does have that red color clip. You gotta be very careful with the side mirrors as well. Pretty crazy. The carbon fiber finishing on this thing, very nice. Look at that. Check out the headlamps. The details on this thing, really crazy. So let's see if I can get it on. Okay. I don't see there's any particular latch in the front here. That's a lot of details going on in front here. Look at that. Look at that. Since, you know, we're still here, right? You know what? I want to show you guys the interior. Okay, the windows are done properly. There's a cutout. Okay. Then the interior, the bucket seats, okay, it's red and black. There's 2 seats. Okay, the dash, silver and carbon fiber. Okay, there's an extinguisher in there as well. Nice, very nice. Okay, so let's see if I can get the front part hooked on. It does look like it has, yep, it does have magnetic. It does have, like, it has some magnet there, so yeah. Okay, yes, that is the magnet. It makes it quite easy to just plug it in. Okay, that's the front. And then go to the rear. Can I just hold the... Okay, it feels quite solid that I can just lift it up using the wing. Look at the details on this thing. Pretty crazy. Look at that. It does have that Zonda R logo down there. Headlamps, very nicely done. The carbon fiber finishing on this is really, really good. Okay, even underneath. Okay, they didn't cheat on that. Okay. Alright, so let's see. Yep, there is some magnetic bits here as well, so it should be quite easy to install. Oh, feels so good. Look at that. Beautiful. This is one crazy looking... It is already a crazy car. It is pretty crazy to do this in 64 scale. Okay. So it did hold the record on Nürburgring for the fastest production car. Okay, in 2012. Okay, so it did do quite a crazy lap on the Nürburgring. It did a proper lap on the old Top Gear as well, but because it's not road legal, hence the time couldn't be registered on the board. Nice. So the later versions of this car would include the Zonda R Evolution, the Zonda Revolution, and the Zonda R Revolution. Pretty crazy. This is pretty crazy. Looks so good. Yeah, let's try and see if we can do, yeah. And freaking rolls, okay? For you crazies out there who need your models to roll, right? Yep, it does roll. Okay. Okay, so I did a quick scan on the QR code just now, so it just goes to a screen like this. So supposedly, if you go to WeChat, you should be able, if you launch this in WeChat, you should be able to see the model number, serial number, and limited edition number. Okay, interesting. All right, so yeah, only 10% of parts is shared with the Zonda FK, so that's how crazy this Zonda R is, and it looks so good. And oh, so included in the package, right, are the stands. Okay, I've seen this before, this particular stands, right? I think Street Weapon has done it before. Okay, so these stands are actually for you to place the hood and the engine cover, the front part of the car and the engine cover. Okay, so that's why there's just 2 sets of them. Pretty crazy. There you go. pretty amazing model from AR Box Almost Real, the Pagani Zonda R. Let me know what you think, because the prices of these things is going up. I think at the time of recording, it's $100 and above. There is one available through Collectors Qube, so do look them up. They're on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. They do have their own website as well, and they do ship international. So that's it for this time around. Remember to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell so that don't miss on any of my other scale model videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.